everyone, welcome back to Gaming Basics. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to report someone in UNO. If you want to report someone in UNO trademark, then it is a straightforward process. Simply go ahead and launch open UNO trademark application on your mobile device or any of your devices. Once you launch open the application, make sure that you are inside this main homepage. Now, go ahead and tap open your friends icon located at the bottom of the screen. Now, from your friend list, select one of your friends and tap on their avatar. Once you open up the basic info of the player, if you want to report them, simply go ahead and press the green report button. Soon after you do that, you can report the person, but remember that the report feature will be unlocked after you reach level 5. So once you're in level 5, you can simply go ahead and select this report option and then follow through the prompts. That is how you can easily report someone on UNO. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I'll see you again in the next video. Goodbye till then.